Embark on a culinary journey to Brazil with this extended PD Moleque recipe. A beloved traditional treat that combines the earthy flavors of peanuts with the rich sweetness of molasses or jaggery. This crunchy, sweet confection is a staple at Brazilian festivals and a favorite among all ages. Ingredients: 2 cups of raw peanuts, 1 cup of jaggery or dark molasses, 1/2 cup of water, a pinch of salt. Optional: 1 teaspoon of grated ginger or 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon for added flavor. Instructions: 1. Prepare the peanuts. Begin by roasting the peanuts in a preheated oven 350F175C for about 10 to 15 minutes or until they are golden and fragrant. Allow them to cool, then rub them between your hands or a clean kitchen towel to remove the skins. Roughly chop the peanuts or leave them whole, depending on your preference. 2. Make the syrup. In a large, heavy-bottomed pan, combine the jaggery or molasses with water. Keep the mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously, until the jaggery dissolves completely and forms a thick syrup. If you're adding ginger or cinnamon, mix it in now for an extra layer of flavor. 3. Combine peanuts with syrup. Once the syrup is ready, add the roasted peanuts to the pan, ensuring they are fully coated with the syrup. Stir in a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Continue cooking the mixture, stirring constantly, until it thickens and begins to pull away from the sides of the pan. This indicates that the PD Moleque is ready to set. 4. Set the PD Moleque. Pour the hot mixture onto a greased or parchment-lined tray. Spread it evenly with a spatula or the back of a spoon. Allow it to cool and harden at room temperature. For a quicker setting, you can place the tray in the refrigerator. 5. Cut into pieces. Once the PD Moleque has set and is firm to the touch, cut or break it into pieces. The traditional shape is irregular chunks, but you can also score the mixture into squares or rectangles before it fully hardens for more uniform pieces. Serving suggestions: serve your homemade PD Moleque as a delightful snack or dessert. It pairs wonderfully with a cup of coffee or tea, making it an ideal treat for gatherings or a sweet end to a meal. Enjoy the extended Brazilian PD Moleque recipe, a celebration of simple ingredients transformed into a deliciously sweet and crunchy treat. This recipe not only offers a taste of Brazil's rich culinary heritage, but also brings the joy and flavor of Brazilian festivals into your home.